Hey guys, it's Mike from Tough Temple Kettlebell Club, and today we're going to talk about the pendulum swing. Pendulums are a foundational movement when we're talking about sport or efficiency kinds of kettlebell movements, and unlike a hinge swing, these are focused on projecting the bell up using as little energy as possible. Where you're going to really see the difference in a kettlebell pendulum versus a hinge is the fact that there are two dips in the knee. First dip brings me to a straight leg with about a 130-degree angle. Second dip, cast that bell straight upwards, trying to buy me float and efficiency, breathing out as I go down, bringing air back in as I come up, using the body as it was designed. How this looks in action is a fairly standard setup, thumb slightly forward, straight leg, first dip, second dip, first dip, second dip. That float buys me options. For juggling or snatches. The kettlebell pendulum swing. If you're not doing it now, you totally should be. If you want to try it live, come on by. We'll be happy to have you here in our Tough Temple Kettlebell Club team workouts. Love to see you here in Bethesda. Thanks.